This Jack Gaughen Network Services Hauer and Associates property video is presented by Audrey Conrad, Realtor, SRES, ASB, IAHSP. Cozy 2-story, move-in ready property. Well done modern updated home including kitchen, heat pump, pellet stove, vinyl and laminate flooring, replacement windows, roof solar panels, multiple heat source, first floor bathroom/laundry. Property includes detached 960 square foot 2-story shed, sited on 0.27 acre level lot, close to amenities. Call for a personal tour. For more information, review the details below or contact Audrey Conrad, Realtor, SRES, ASB, IAHSP at 717-694-3119.